Hi, I'm Janet Ong-Zimmerman, Vice President of Marketing with CTS. I'm here with Matt Samble, our Vice President of Product Development. Matt, let's talk about floor patch. So Matt, how does floor patch differ from other floor patching materials?
Well, floor patch is a great, easy to apply material for patching cracks and spalls in concrete. It can go up to 3 inches thick. But really it's user-friendly. So there's about 15 to 20 minutes of working time. It can be open to foot traffic and ready for floor coverings in as little as 60 minutes. It'll exceed 6,000 PSI. And of course, floor patch has all the advantages of rapid set cement. So it has the high early strength, very low shrinkage, and the sustainability benefits.
Rapid set Cemental was our first official bag product, you could say. How does that product differ from floor patch, since Cemental can also be used to patch floors?
Yeah, they are actually similar products. They have similar applications. The difference is that floor patch was designed to be a little bit more user-friendly. So it's got a little bit more working time, 15 to 20 minutes of working time. It also contains self-curing technology. So in most conditions, we don't need to come back and water cure the top of our floor patch repairs. It's pigmented gray, also to better match existing concrete. But Cemental is still a great product. It's still ideal for very fast repairs. So if we need 1 hour strength, Cemental is the right product. If we need a little bit more working time and we want 3 hour strength, then floor patch might fit the bill.
How does floor patch's self-curing technology reduce the need for curing and speed up the installation process?
Well, the self-curing technology really helps to hold the water inside the mix. And then it releases that water back slowly to help hydrate the cement. So the self-curing technology allows it to reduce plastic shrinkage cracking and helps reduce potential drying shrinkage over the long term. And we can do that in most weather conditions without having to come back and add additional water onto the top, so that reduces time.
So what are the common uses for floor patch when it comes to industrial, commercial, and residential settings?
Well, it can be used to repair concrete floors, like in apartments or office buildings, prior to installing the carpet, wood, or tile. It's great for warehouse floors or even loading docks. And in residential, it could be used in kitchen and bathroom remodels or garage floor cracks and spalls.
So a variety of uses.
Yeah, absolutely.
How does floor patch save time and also reduce costs on jobs?
Well, most floor coverings can be installed over floor patch in just about 60 to 90 minutes. And because of the self-curing technology, we don't have to come back and water cure it, so we don't have to spend those 60 to 90 minutes babysitting the floor. Also, it achieves 3,000 PSI in just 3 hours, so we can open it up to the next trade or let the occupants back in the building even faster.
What else should people know about floor patch?
Well, it's a very versatile product. It can be applied up to 3 inches or all the way down to a feather edge to meet existing elevations on a deeper repair. Also, it's called floor patch, but it can be used outside of just the floor. It could be used on vertical applications if we just adjust the water content. And also, despite the extra working time, it still meets the ASTM C928R3, which is the highest classification of that standard, which is the standard for rapid setting packaged cementitious products.
Can you explain a little bit what it takes to meet that ASTM standard?
It has strength requirements, early strength, later age strength, and has to have a low shrinkage.
And what does being able to meet that standard mean for the end user?
It means that it achieves very high early strength and good long-term strength. And the lower shrinkage means that it will have a reduced risk of cracking.
Thank you, Matt.
Thank you.
For more videos, visit our YouTube channel.